is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles if you want. This is a Marutai variety. It was in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Hakata something. Only takes 2 minutes. They sent me 2 of these, so that's why you're seeing it in this fashionable way of actually, it's a very thin noodle. That's why you only get the 2 minutes of time to watch it. And me for the steeping. This is the sachet of garnish. So, yeah. It's funny. So this is my, the day this is being released is my birthday. But the special episode, there will be a special episode tomorrow where we release the inclusion of a new family member. So you will want to see that tomorrow. Watch tomorrow at 2 p.m. West Coast time. That'll be March 15th at 2 p.m. Today is Pi Day, which is my birthday. Weird, huh? And I am horrible at math. Fun fact for you. So, and that's why my gig is reviewing instant noodles, because I just, math's a bad thing. So what's going on? The Hamas went and they attacked Israel, and that's the big news right now. It certainly blew the entire concept of us not having a House Speaker and all that crap right off the map. I'm sure those involved in that are like, good God, thank you, which is a horrible thing. You shouldn't be thanking those people for that, but definitely got a lot of attention off of that dysfunctional BS. So, but yeah, it should be interesting. What's kind of weird is the sheer amount of people who are supporting the Palestinians, because I mean, there's been a lot of bad stuff that's happened to those folks, but they've done a lot of bad stuff, so I don't know. I'm leaving it be. I'm just glad my brother's okay at this point. He lives in Jerusalem. He's got family that lives in the affected areas close to the border of the Gaza Strip, and they're with them right now. Like his family's safe, luckily. So that is a relief. But yeah, I'm making ramen. That's what I'm doing. And it's been a few days. So yeah. What am I doing for my birthday? I don't know. It's October 11th, 2023. So your guess is as good as mine. Probably might involve pizza. Generally, the thing I enjoy for my birthday is my wife makes some mean chocolate chip banana bread, and I'll probably ask if she could possibly make me that for my birthday. That'd be rad. Oh my God. That stuff is really, really quite good. I'll let you know I'm running off of maybe 2.5, 3 hours worth of sleep, I think. I'm really unsure. All I know is I got up like at 4:30 because somebody else got up then, and been up ever since. Yeah. But you'll see. And I think this time it's gonna work, so that's really good. But that's the only hint that I'm gonna give you. Oh my! Yeah, I feel like really weird, sleep deprived. Oh, what's going on? I'm getting the COVID and a flu shot on top of that tonight. So On top of the sleep deprivation, I'm going to get a COVID shot and a flu shot. I think what's probably going to come into play tonight is I have 4 burritos in the freezer. I think I might just have to hit those up. It sounds like a good plan. You never know. I might just say screw it and get some ice cream as well. But yeah. It also comes with, look, seaweed. So that's kind of fun. So here's what we got here. Yeah. It looks good. It's Marutai. Marutai stuff is generally really quite well received in the world. They make really good, like you can get go on Amazon, there'll probably be a link for it in this, and you can get like an assortment of Marutai straight noodle ramen packs that are just out of this world. Their Hakata tonkatsu is good, their Kumamoto tonkatsu is good, all their stuff's good. Oh wow. Yeah, I think. It's a thinner noodle, it hydrated well, it actually has a nice chew to it. That's saying something. That's not a common thing. Here's the broth. Very salty, kind of buttery. It's not Nagahama yet. It's like, is it Hakata? I don't know. It says in the title for this one, so. But I remember it was like a unique variety. If you're looking for like serious background on this variety that I can impart to you, just turn this off because I really can't at the moment. But if you are looking at the actual post for this, well, I might have even less information for you. There's the bowl. That's a bowl. Oh, I should wash the lens. Yeah, here. Let me clean the lens. Because I did a video, like, what? Yesterday morning. Because I made some soft-boiled eggs. And they're, while they were boiling, I put the camera over it. So I'm guessing that the lens of the camera is all funky looking. But I could be wrong. Could be all steamed up, funkity. This is a lens wipe I'm using. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna use this nice slice of chashu. Like that. Look at that. We're going to use a blowtorch and a hammer. Actually, we'll just use the blowtorch. Does that burner feel like it's on? It's off. It really is. We'll use the blade of Christmas past. So these eggs I use lately, these are the Happy Egg Heritage eggs. And they're kind of expensive, but they're really neat. Because, look at that yolk. Holy bazinga there, right? darker yolk, and the eggs are either blue or brown. They come from like all sorts of different styles of chicken. And they all go, but you know, they're different breeds. And they're a little more expensive. I think it was like $8 for a dozen. But they're really good. But what I usually get are the Happy Egg, just straight brown eggs, and you can get, they just had a sale on them. $5.99 for an 18 count of those, which is pretty darn good. But they were out of them at the local grocery store. Really don't like the local Kenmore grocery store. There are plenty of reasons, but the lack of salience and happiness is, you know, I don't know. There's that. We're gonna add some onions right there. Do I have mung bean sprouts? No. Why? Well, because they didn't have any mung bean sprouts that weren't expired at the local grocery store. There's a reason I don't like the local grocery store. When I see mung bean sprouts in a produce department that are expired by a day, which probably means that you couldn't have used them for 2 days already, that's really unsettling to me. We're gonna use some, there we are. I'm gonna use this one. I think this would go well. This is a Japanese pepper called sansyo. Sansyo. I'm gonna put that right there. A mound of it. Let's see, are you centered? Not really. Oh, I don't. But yeah, this is tasty stuff. I like it. I think you will too. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is some with their saucy noodles yet again. This is their garlic black pepper. It's the third one I've tried. The last two scored sub 2 stars. One of them, the last one I did actually got 0 stars. So I'm hoping that this one will break the sadness for this stuff. And anyways, this has been Alan's Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out, helps other people find out about different ways and things to enjoy. And yeah, you can go get a membership. It's my birthday episode. Spend the $500 and you can join me on the show for a whole week. If I got like 10 people, that'd be like 50 days of having special guests on the show. Think of it. It'd be epic. Actually, if I got 100 people, that'd be a lot, and that would really help my family out. So that's what you're gonna do. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.